Imagine this for just a moment. What if tonight, before you go to bed, you take just one simple spoon, and over the next few weeks, your legs start to feel stronger, steadier, and more youthful again? No gym, no expensive treatments, no risky pills. Just a quiet nighttime habit that helps your body repair itself while you sleep. Many seniors who tried this say the same thing. I feel like my legs are waking up again. As we get older, one of the first places we feel aging is in our legs. You might notice it when standing up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. Or when climbing stairs leaves your legs trembling. Or maybe your balance isn't what it once was and you feel less confident walking, especially at night. This doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't mean your body is broken. It happens because with age, the body slowly loses muscle strength, circulation becomes weaker, and the nerves that help your legs respond quickly start to slow down. Here's the important part most people don't realize. Your legs don't rebuild during the day. They rebuild at night. While you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairs muscle fibers, restores nerve connections, and sends nutrients deep into your tissues. But after the age of 50 or 60, this repair process becomes weaker unless the body is given the right building blocks at the right time. That's where this one-spoon nighttime routine comes in. This isn't a miracle cure, and it's not magic. It's biology. It works because it supports three things your aging legs desperately need: muscle repair, nerve signaling, and blood flow. When those three improve together, leg strength can return faster than most people expect. Think about how your grandparents used to live. They didn't have protein shakes or supplements in fancy bottles. But they did have simple, nutrient-dense foods before rest. Modern science is now confirming what traditional wisdom already knew. Certain natural ingredients, taken before sleep, help muscles recover and nerves recharge more efficiently. The spoon we're talking about combines healthy fats, natural minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These are especially important at night because inflammation silently eats away at muscle strength as we age. Low-grade inflammation can make your legs feel heavy, sore, or weak even if you haven't done anything strenuous. Reducing that inflammation allows your muscles to respond again. Another major reason leg strength declines is poor circulation. Blood is what carries oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. When circulation is weak, your legs feel cold, tired, or numb. At night, circulation naturally slows down. But certain foods gently improve blood flow, even during sleep, helping your legs heal instead of stiffen. There's also the issue of magnesium and potassium loss with age. These minerals are essential for muscle contraction and nerve communication. Without enough of them, legs cramp, shake, or feel unstable. This is why many seniors experience nighttime leg cramps or restless legs. A properly chosen nighttime spoon can help replenish these minerals in a form the body absorbs slowly while you sleep. What makes this routine so powerful is timing. During the day, your body is focused on movement, digestion, and stress. At night, it switches into repair mode. Giving your body the right nutrients just before bed is like handing a construction crew the materials they need before starting overnight repairs. Many people think weak legs are just part of aging, but that belief is outdated. Research shows that even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, muscle tissue can still respond and rebuild if given the proper signals. Strength may return more slowly than when you were 20, but it can return. And no, this isn't about lifting heavy weights or pushing yourself to exhaustion. In fact, overdoing exercise with weak legs can make things worse. What your body needs first is internal support. Once that foundation is restored, movement becomes easier, safer, and more enjoyable again. In the next part, I'll explain exactly what this one spoon contains, why each ingredient matters, and how it works together inside your body while you sleep to support leg strength, balance, and confidence. The beauty of this one spoon routine is how simple it is. No complicated recipes, no hard-to-find ingredients. Each part plays a specific role in helping your legs feel stronger and more responsive again. The base of this spoon is a natural healthy fat. Healthy fats are essential because they help calm inflammation and allow nutrients to enter your cells more efficiently. As we age, our cells become less flexible, making it harder for minerals and vitamins to get inside. Healthy fats gently soften the cell walls, allowing better absorption during the night. This is one reason seniors who avoid fats often experience more weakness and stiffness in their legs. One of the most effective choices here is extra virgin olive oil. Science shows it contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that protect muscle fibers and blood vessels. These compounds help reduce the silent inflammation that slowly weakens leg muscles over time. Olive oil also supports circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible, allowing oxygen to reach your legs more easily while you sleep. Next comes something naturally sweet but not sugar-heavy. Raw honey is often used for this reason. During sleep, your body needs a small, steady source of energy to fuel repair processes. Honey provides gentle glucose that prevents nighttime drops in blood sugar, which can interrupt muscle recovery and even cause leg cramps. Honey also contains trace minerals and antioxidants that support nerve health, which is crucial for balance and coordination. Now comes a mineral-rich addition that many seniors are unknowingly deficient in. Finely ground pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds are often added in small amounts. These seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Magnesium helps muscles relax and contract properly. Potassium supports nerve signals that tell your legs when and how to move. Zinc supports tissue repair and immune balance. Together, these minerals help reduce nighttime cramps, stiffness, and morning leg weakness. Some people also add a tiny pinch of turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. It helps reduce joint stiffness and muscle soreness, while black pepper increases its absorption dramatically. This combination is especially helpful for seniors whose leg weakness is tied to knee pain or hip stiffness. When you combine these ingredients into one spoon before bed, something interesting happens. Your body doesn't have to work hard to digest it. Instead, it slowly absorbs the nutrients throughout the night, exactly when your muscles and nerves are repairing themselves. This creates a gentle, steady healing environment instead of a sudden spike that your body can't use efficiently. Many seniors notice the first signs of change within 1 to 2 weeks. They report less heaviness in their legs in the morning. Standing up feels easier, walking feels more stable. The fear of falling begins to fade. These small improvements add up, restoring confidence and independence. It's important to understand that this works best as a routine, not a one-time fix. The body thrives on consistency. Taking this spoon every night signals to your body that it's safe to repair, rebuild, and strengthen again. Skipping nights too often can slow progress. Of course, this spoon works even better when paired with gentle movement. Simple walking, light stretching, or slow chair exercises during the day help send blood to the legs. At night, the spoon supports recovery. This day-night balance is what helps seniors feel younger in their movements again. In the final part, I'll explain how to take this spoon safely, who should be cautious, and how to maximize results without overdoing anything. Taking this one spoon before bed is simple, but a few small details can make a big difference in how well it works. The best time to take it is about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. This gives your body enough time to start absorbing the nutrients without interfering with digestion or sleep quality. You don't need a full stomach, but avoid taking it immediately after a heavy dinner. The spoon itself doesn't need to be large. 1 tablespoon is enough, more is not better here. Seniors often think increasing the amount will speed results, but that can actually cause digestive discomfort. The goal is gentle, steady nourishment, not overload. You can take it directly from the spoon or mix it lightly so the ingredients blend together. There's no need to heat it. In fact, keeping it raw helps preserve the beneficial compounds, especially in olive oil and honey. After taking it, a small sip of warm water is fine, but avoid cold drinks right away, as they can slow absorption. Now let's talk about safety, because this matters. But what it can do is help your legs feel more reliable, more responsive, and less fragile. Strength returns gradually. Balance improves quietly. Magnesium and healthy fats support deeper, more restful sleep, and better sleep leads to better muscle repair. It becomes a positive cycle. Stronger legs lead to more movement. More movement improves circulation. Better circulation supports stronger legs. What truly makes this routine powerful is that it restores trust in your body. Many seniors stop moving not because they can't, but because they're afraid. Afraid of falling, afraid of pain, afraid their legs won't support them. As strength and stability return, that fear slowly loosens its grip. Remember, aging does not mean your body stops responding. It simply needs more support, more patience, and better timing. If you stay consistent, listen to your body, and combine this routine with gentle daily movement, your legs can absolutely feel stronger, steadier, and more youthful again. As we come to the end, remember this simple truth. Your legs are not failing you. They are asking for support. Strength doesn't disappear because of age alone. It fades when the body no longer gets what it needs to repair itself properly. And sometimes the solution isn't complicated at all. This one spoon before bed routine is powerful because it works with your body, not against it. It supports muscle repair, nourishes tired nerves, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation at the exact time your body is designed to heal, during sleep. Night after night, this quiet habit sends a clear message to your body that it's safe to rebuild again. You don't need extreme workouts. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need to accept weak legs as your future. What you need is consistency, patience, and respect for how your body changes with time. Small daily habits, done faithfully, often create the biggest transformations. Many seniors are surprised when they realize their legs feel lighter, steadier, and more responsive again. Standing becomes easier. Walking feels more confident. The fear of falling slowly fades. And with that confidence comes freedom. The freedom to move, to go out, to live without constantly thinking about your legs. So tonight, instead of ignoring your body signals, respond to them. Give your body the nourishment it needs. Let sleep do its healing work. And trust that strength, even now, can return one simple spoon at a time.